Hi, I'm Joey with A to Z Water Heaters and Plumbing, a friendly, family-owned water heater repair business serving clients in Peoria, Glendale, Surprise, and Sun City West. We promise you won't find a water heater specialist who does a better job for less. A to Z Water Heaters and Plumbing has trained professionals who are able to fix whatever water heater issues come your way. Your water heater is a huge investment, and if you're having troubles, you want to get it fixed as quickly as possible. Many times, a correct diagnosis of your water heater problems can mean the difference in a fast, affordable repair and hundreds or thousands of dollars needlessly spent on a brand new water heater. Whether it's a repair you need or it's time for you to purchase a new water heater and you need it installed, our team can take care of it for you. You can trust the professionals at A to Z Water Heaters and Plumbing to honestly and correctly determine your water heater's issues and fix it for you as quickly as possible. A to Z Water Heaters and Plumbing can also take care of your plumbing problems. We can fix a clogged drain, find a leak, replace a toilet, you name it. If you have a problem, our team can fix it. When you give us a call, you will be connected directly to our owner, so you can expect immediate attention to your inquiry. So don't wait, call now.